Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Vaishnav360. Like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vaishnav. Today we are going to do exercise 1A, Roman number 1, the last problem, and then we are going to start the next Roman number, which is Roman number 2. Now, this is the lesson locus. Let's start the solution. Now here we have the seventh one, which is the last question in the Roman number 1. Find the equation of the locus of a point P such that PA square plus PB square is equals to 2C square, where A is equals to A comma 0 and B is equals to minus A comma 0. And 0 is less than modulus A and modulus A is less than modulus C. So here we have got um, A and B, and we should take P as x comma y. Okay, now by the given condition we should solve the problem. Okay, let's solve. Now here we have A, which is A comma 0, and B, which is minus A comma 0. This is given. Okay, now here we have got the condition, which is PA square plus PB square is equals to 2C square. Now let us take P as x comma y. Okay, now we'll find, according to this condition, we'll find the answer. Now first we'll take PA square, which is equals to under root distance formula, which is x2 minus a, okay, whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, right? Oh, here just little bit of confusion. PA square, right? P is x comma y. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, right? Now here P is first, so x minus a whole square plus y1 minus y2, y minus 0 whole square with a whole square. Okay, now squares and roots gets cancelled. Now we'll get x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. We will apply formula a minus b whole square, x square plus a square minus 2 of ax plus y square, y minus 0 means y whole square. Okay, now this is the answer for pa square. Now we'll find pb square, right? Now here we'll find pb square, which is equals to nothing but x plus a whole square, because here b is minus a, no, minus minus gets minus minus when multiplied becomes plus, and it is plus a, x plus a whole square plus uh, y minus 0 again whole square, which is under a root and which is under a whole square. Now squares and roots gets cancelled. Now we'll get x plus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Now here a plus b whole square formula, x square plus a square plus 2 of ax. Now plus y minus 0 is y square y square. Okay, this is pb square. Now we will substitute the condition. Pa is x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square. Again here plus x square plus a square plus 2ax plus y square, which is equals to 2 of c square. Now here 2a square minus 2a square plus 2a minus 2ax plus 2ax gets cancelled. Now we'll get here 2x square plus 2a square plus 2y square, which is equals to 2c square. Right, here let us take this here, c as term c here. Now we'll get 2x square plus 2a square plus 2y square. Wait a second. Right. Now 2 minus 2c square, which is equals to 0. Right. Let me settle it. Right. Let me take it. Now here we'll get this. Now to solve this, we'll take common. In this whole, we have 2 as common for everything. So 2 of x square plus a square plus y square minus c square is equals to 0. Now if we take 2 this side, 0 by 2 is 0. Okay. Now we'll get here x square plus a square plus y square minus c square is equals to 0. I will take c this side and a this side. I will tell you why I took, but first I will take it. X square plus y square here, c square minus a square. I took like this because x and y are in one set, because after x it is y. Likely or similarly here, after a it is c or before c it is a. So that's why I took like this, and hence we have got the solution. This is the equation. Therefore, this is the required equation of the locus. Now we will go to the second Roman number, right? Now here we have the second Roman first question. Find the equation of the locus of P if the line segment joining 2, 3 and minus 1, 5 subtends a right angle as P. Okay. Now given here is, we have got A, which is 2 comma 3, and B, which is minus 1 comma 5. Okay. Now um, we have got here P. Let us take P as um, PB as x comma y. Okay. Now this is let statement. This is given statement. Now here it forms right angle triangle. Right angle means anything, triangle, right? It is casually we will call as right angle triangle. Now we have 3 points and it is a right angle, so it will be right angle triangle. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? According to Pythagoras theorem as short form, okay, we have got hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Now here, what is hypotenuse and what is side? AB square is hypotenuse and PA square plus PB square are sides. Now here we'll find what is PA and PB and solve. Okay, PA square means under root x plus x minus 2 whole square. Okay, x1 y1, a is 2 comma 3, which is x2 y2. Now here plus y minus 3 whole square, okay, which is under a square. Now squares and roots gets cancelled. Now we will get x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now we will use a minus b whole square formula for both. Now we will get here x square plus 2 square minus 2 of 2x, right? 2 into x is 2x, which is multiplied with 2, plus y square plus 3 square minus 2 of 3y. Right, now here we'll get x square plus 2 square, which is 4, minus 4x plus y square plus 3 3s are 9 minus 3 to the 6y. This is PA exactly now. Now we'll find PB. Okay. PB square, which is equals to under root x minus x plus 1, because b is minus 1 comma 5, x2 is minus 1, y2 is 5. So minus minus here gets plus, and we will get x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square, right, which is under a square. So squares and roots gets cancelled, and we will get x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Now if we solve here, let me take it up. Now if we solve it here, we'll get nothing but x square plus 1 square plus 2 of x into 1 is x plus y square plus 5 square minus 2 of 5y, which is equals to x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 5 5 is 25 minus 2 5 is 10y. Okay, now here we'll get the answer x square plus 1 plus 25, 26, 2x plus y square plus 26 minus 10y. This is the answer. Here in PA, 9 plus 4, which is 13, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 13 minus 6y is the actual answer for PA square. Right, I have missed adding this both. Okay, now I have solved this. Now here we will use Pythagoras theorem and find what is AB, or we will directly find here and directly write AB square is equals to under root A is what, 2 minus into minus 1, which is plus 1 whole square, and here plus y 3 minus 5 whole square. Okay, now we'll solve this here. 2 now which is under a whole square. No, square and roots gets cancelled here. Now we'll get 2 plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Now here 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 of 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 square plus 5 square minus 2 of 3 into 5, 15. Okay, now here we'll get 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, sorry, 2 square means I will directly write the answers here. 2 square means 4 plus 1 square means 1 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 5 5 is 25 minus 15 2s 30. Okay, now here we'll get 4 plus 1 5, 30. This cancel, this and this cancel. Now we'll get here 13 as an answer. Now by the given condition we'll get 13 is equals to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 13 minus 6y plus plus x square plus 2x plus y square plus 26 minus 10y. Okay, now here we'll solve. Here 13, if we take this side, we'll get 0 this side. Okay, now here 0 is equals to x square plus x square, 2x square. Here this and this is done. Now y square plus y square plus 2y square This and this is done. Now minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x. These both are done. Now we'll get minus 6y plus 10 minus 10y, sorry, minus 16y. This and this are done. Now remaining is just plus 26. Okay. Now here if we take common, 0 is equals to 2 of x square plus y square minus x, minus 8 1 82 16, right? 8y plus 13 is equals to 0 here. Now if we take 2 and transfer it here, we will get again 0. Now finally we will get, wait a second, x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13, right? Now here finally we will get the answer, that is nothing but x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 is equals to 0. This is the, therefore this is the required equation of the locus. Right, now we'll go forward to the second question, which is the ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Find the equation of the locus of its third vertex is the second problem. Now here we will solve. We have got A, which is 0, 6 and B, which is 6, 0. Okay, this is the given. Now here we should find the third vertex. Let us take P as the third vertex, which is x, y, because we don't know the values x, y. Now here the given condition is it is a right angle triangle, and for a right angle triangle we will usually use Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, okay, we will get hypotenuse square, uh, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Now here AB square is hypotenuse and side square is PA square plus PB square. Right. Now let's find out AB square, PA square and PB square. Let me raise it up so that I'll get a space and I can freely write. Now AB square. AB square is nothing but under root 0 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square, which is under a square. Now squares and roots gets cancelled. Now we'll get here minus 6 whole square, because 0 minus 6 is minus 6 and 6 minus 0 is 6, plus 6 whole square. Minus 6 into minus 6 is plus 36, and 6 6 is 36 again. Now here if we add 36 and 36, we will get 6 6 6 to the 12, 1 2, right here 1 2, 3 to the 6 7, 72. Now here the hypotenuse is 72, right? Now we'll find out PA square. PA square is under root x, um, minus 0 whole square plus 0, am I right? Yeah, y minus 6 whole square, not 0. Y minus 6 whole square, which is under a square. Now squares and roots gets cancelled. Now here we'll get x square plus y minus 6 whole square. Now x square plus, we'll apply a minus b whole square. Y square plus 6 square minus 2 of 6y. Now here we'll get x square plus y square plus 36 minus 6 to the 12y. Okay. Now we have got PA square. Now we'll find PB square. PB square, which is under root x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, which is under a square. Now squares and roots gets cancelled. Now here we will get x minus 6 whole square plus y square. Y minus 0 is y. Now we'll get y square. Here we'll apply a minus b whole square formula. We'll get x square minus 6 square, sorry, plus 6 square minus 2 of 6x plus y square. Right. Now here we'll get x square plus y square plus 6 6 are 36 minus 6 2 is 12x. Now this is PB formula. Now we'll substitute everything. Okay. Now AB square is 72 and PA square is x square plus y square plus 36 minus 12y. According to Pythagoras theorem, we should add the side squares. So we'll add plus, we'll put plus here and we'll continue PB square. X square plus y square plus 36 minus 12x. Okay, here we'll get 72 is equals to uh, right. X square plus x square is 2x square plus y square is 2y square plus uh, no minus 12x again minus 12y. Okay, this are done. Now we'll get plus 36 which is 72. Okay, now if I take this side it will become minus 72. Plus 72 minus 72 gets cancelled. Wait a second. Let me raise it up. Now if you guys see, we got here 72 is equals to 2x square plus 2y square minus 12x minus 12y plus 72. If we take 72 this side, it will become minus 72. Minus 72 here and plus 72 here gets cancelled. So I will directly cancel from here 72, 72. Now here it will become 0 is equals to 2x square plus 2y square minus 12x minus 12y. Okay, in this we can take common 2. Okay, we will take here common 0 is equals to 2 of x square plus y square minus 2 6 are 12, right? 6x minus 6y. Now here if we take 2 from the right side to the left side, we will get 0 by 2. We will get 0 by 2. Now 0 by 2 is 0 again. So we will get here x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equals to 0. So hence we have got the required equation of the locus. Okay. Therefore the required equation of the locus of its third vertex is this. Okay, now we have got the second answer. Now we'll go forward to the third answer, which is find the equation of the locus of a point, the difference of whose distance from minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 is 8. Now here we will solve the third problem. Here we have got a, which is minus 5 comma 0, and b, which is 5 comma 0, and let us take p as x comma y, and we have the given condition, which is pa minus pb is equals to 8. Now let us consider, let me take it up. Now let us consider pa minus consider pa minus pb, sorry, pa square minus pb square. Okay, let us take this so that we can get here pa plus pb of PA minus PB. This is PA square minus PB square, right? If we apply the formula. Now we will first find out what is PA. Then we'll apply this formula and we'll solve it. We'll find what is PA. PA is under root, wait a second. Here this is used after solving this. Okay, after solving this we'll get a result of some value after doing this square, and we should subtract with PB square. Now we'll get one value here. This value is now is equals to this, right? Now we'll first find out what is PA square. PA square is x minus 5 means plus 5 whole square minus plus y minus 0 whole square, okay, is equals to, now which is under a square, squares and roots gets cancelled. Now we will get x plus 5 whole square plus y square, because y minus 0 is y, no, so square here. Now if we use a plus b whole square formula, x square plus 5 square plus 2 of 5x plus y square. Now here we'll get x square plus 25 plus 10x plus y square. Okay, now here we'll find out what is PB square. PB square is equals to under root x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, which is under a square. Now squares and roots gets cancelled. Now here we'll get x minus 5 whole square plus y square, because y minus 0 here again is y, which is under a square. Now it is y square. Now if we apply a minus b whole square formula, we'll get x square plus 5 square minus 2 of 5x plus y square. Now here, which is equals to x square plus 5 square, which is 25, right, minus 5 2s are 10, 10x plus 5 square. This is what it is. Now we will solve this, then we will apply this one. Okay, now we will solve what is PA square minus PB square. If we solve this, we will get here, we will write here PA square minus PB square, which is equals to x square plus 25 plus 10x. I was reading it as 20, and again my tongue shifted to 5, so you might have heard wrongly. It is 25 plus 10x plus y square minus x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square. Okay, this is in a bracket. Now we will get here x square plus 25 plus 10x plus y square minus x square. We'll multiply this with minus. We'll get here minus 25 plus 10x, again here plus, here we'll get minus y square. Okay, if we solve this, wait a second, let me raise it up. Now here, if we solve this, we'll get, here only I will directly cancel, minus x square plus x square, minus 25 plus 25 plus 10x plus 10x, 20x. Wait here, this is done. Now plus y square minus y square. Now we'll get here 20x. So now we'll use PA plus PB into PA minus PB is equals to PA square minus pb minus pb square, which is equals to 20x. Now we will equate this both. pa plus pb into pa minus pb, will directly write the value. Here, in the given condition of the question, we'll get it as pa minus pb is equals to 8. Okay, we will take that as a equation 1. Okay, I'll show you afterwards, but now here pa minus pb by the given condition, it is 8, which is equals to 20x. Now it implies that pa plus pb is equals to 20x by 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, which is 5x by 2. Now pa plus pb is 5x by 2. This is second equation. Now here the condition we have got here, we will take it as the first equation. This is the first equation and the pa plus pb is the second equation, right? This is the second equation. Now we will continue the problem. Now we have got the first and second equation, right? Now to solve the problem further, we will add these two equations. Adding the two equations, which is 1 and 2. Now we are going to add this. pa minus pb is equals to 8. pa plus pb is equals to 5x by 2. Now if we add this, p minus pb plus pb gets cancelled and we will get plus pa again plus pa, which is 2pa is equals to 8 plus 5x by 2. Now here we will first solve. 2pa is equals to 2 into 8 plus 5x by 2. Now here 2pa is equals to 8 1 8, 8 2 16 plus 5x by 2. Now pa is equals to 16 plus 5x. 2pa is equals to 16 by 16 plus 5x by 2. Now here we will take 2 and take this side. Now we will get 2 into 2pa. Now we will get 4pa is equals to 16 plus 5x. Alright. Now we have got this equation. Now we will square on both sides. 4pa square is equals to 16 plus 5x whole square. Now if we solve, 4 4 is 16 pa square. We have got the pa square value. Now next we will substitute that, but first we will solve this a plus b whole square formula. Now here 16 square plus 5x square, okay, plus 2 of 16 into 5x, okay. Now if we further solve this, first we will add the value of pa square, which is 16 of x square plus 25 plus 10x plus y square, which is equals to 16 square plus 25x square plus 2 of 2 of this is nothing but 80x, okay. Now here we'll write, we'll open the brackets, we'll get 16x square plus 16 of 25. 16 of 25. Wait a second. We'll directly solve this. 160x plus 16y square plus 16 of 25 is 300. Okay. Which is equals to 16 square, which is 256 plus 25x square plus uh 8 1 8 to 16 160x. Okay, now here 160x and here 160x gets cancelled. Now here we'll get 16x square. Yeah, we'll substitute this here and we'll take this here. We'll first write 16y square plus 300 minus 256 here plus, then here it will become minus, which is equals to 25x square minus 16x square. All right, now here we'll get 16x square, sorry, 16y square plus 44, which is 300 minus 256 is 44, which is equals to um, 25x square minus 16x is 9x square. Now here totally we'll get the answer 9x square. We'll take this side minus 16y square. We'll take 44 also this side minus 44, which is equals to 0. Wait a second. I think you might not see. I'll raise it up. Right now you might see. Now this is the answer for the third question. Right. Required. Therefore, the required equation of the locus is this. Okay. Now we'll go forward with the next question, which is we are with the fourth question, that is find the equation of the locus of P if A is equals to 4 comma 0 and B is equals to minus 4 comma 0 and P A minus PB is equals to 4. Now here we have given, means in the question we have got, or the given is A and B, which is 4 comma 0 and B, which is minus 4 comma 0. Okay, now here the condition here we have got. Before writing the condition, let us take a point P. Let P be x comma y. Alright, now here the condition is nothing but PA minus PB is equals to 4. Okay, let us consider here PA square minus PB square is equals to no is equals to, because we have considering this. If we take square here, we should take square here also, but we have took different way. We should take whole square, but we have took separately square for this, square for this. So we should solve this first and then we should imply this part. Okay, this is the first equation we have got. In the coming solution, you will understand how did I did this. Now here we have got PA square minus PB square. Alright, now PA square is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. I have took the step directly because every time what is this doing? A time waste also, right? That's why I have took it directly. Now we will minus with x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Alright, now here we will get, which is equals to x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square minus x square, right, minus 16 minus 8x minus y square. Alright, now yeah, x square cancel, plus 16 minus 16 cancelled. Alright, now here plus y square minus y square cancel. Now here we will get minus 8x minus 8x, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, minus 16x. Alright. Now here we will substitute. Okay. Now pa square minus pb square, if we expand we will get pa plus pb of pa minus pb, right? In the first equation, what is there? Pa minus pb is 4, right? Now here this is minus 16x, right? Now here pa plus pb of pa minus pb value is 4 is equals to minus 16x, right? Now here pa plus pb is equals to uh, minus 16 by 4, 16x by 4, right? 4 4 is 16, minus 4 here. So here pa plus pb is equals to minus 4x, right? This is now the second equation. Okay, I think you might understand. I have solved stepwise. Now here we will take uh, addition of equations. Addition of equations. Which equations? 1 and 2. We have only 2 right now. Now here pa minus pb is equals to 4, and here pa plus pb is equals to minus 4x. Now here if we add, we will cancel this, minus and plus cancels. Now 2pa is equals to 4 minus 4x. If we take common, we will get 2 of 4, 2 of 2 minus 2x, which is 2pa. Now a 2 gets cancelled, we will get pa is equals to 2 minus 2x. Alright. Now wait a second, let me raise it up so that you can see it clearly. I think you might see it clearly now. Alright. Now here we will take SOBS, nothing but squaring on both sides. If we take PA square is equals to 2 minus 2x square, we will get here PA square. What is PA square? We have got x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square. Alright. Is it true? Yeah. Okay. Correct only, right? No. Here y square. There is no y square in this. No. Now this is equals to 2 square, 2 square which is 4, right? I will write directly 4 plus 4x square minus 2 of 2x means, no, 2 of 4x means 8x, right? Now here I will take all the values this side. X square plus 16 minus 8x minus 4 minus 4x square plus 8x, right, which is equals to 0. Now here x square means minus 3x square, this done. Now here 16 means 4 4s are 16, no, 4 3s are 12, so plus 12, this and this done. Now here minus 18x plus 18x, this both gets cancelled, right? Now we are remained with 0 here. Is it correct? Wait a second, let me check. X square 16, 16 this 12, this correct. Now here this, yeah, true. Here we have done a mistake, that is plus y square. This is correct only, but I did not took it. Here again we will take it as where here, right? Anywhere we can write plus y square is equals to 0. Alright. Now here if we take, the answer we will get is minus 3x square plus y square plus 12, which is equals to 0. Now here if I solve this, we will get minus, no, 3x square minus y square is equals to 12. Okay. Now we'll further simplify this. How? Wait a second, I will tell you. Here, to further simplify this, we have to remove this number. Okay. What is common here? 312. Right? 312 means we can divide 3 by 12. No. Means 3 is 12 is divisible by 3. So we'll divide it. Dividing, we'll take this third equation, right? Dividing equation 3 by 12. Okay. Here all the terms are divided by 12 now. 3x square by 12 minus y square by 12, okay, is equals to 12 by 12. Now here we'll get 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. Here minus minus means cancel out. Now x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equals to 1. Okay. Therefore, this is the required equation of the locus. Alright, let's go to next question, which is fifth one. Now here, fifth one is find the equation of the locus of the point and of the or if the sum of whose distance from 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2 is 6. Okay, now here we have a which is 0 comma 2 and we have b which is uh, 0 comma minus 2, right? This is given. This is given. Now here let us take a point. Let P be x comma y. Right. Now here we have got the condition. Condition. What is the condition? Condition is PA plus PB is equals to 6. Let us consider uh, the same PA square minus PB square as we done in the last problem. Now here we'll get, let us take this as first equation. Now here we'll get, I will write directly PA square is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, alright, minus x minus 0 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square, right. Now here uh, this is x square plus y square plus 4 minus 4y, alright, minus x square plus y square plus 4 plus 4y. Okay, I think you might understand. I'm just expanding and solving. Now I will get the equation by solving this. X square plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Now if we open these brackets, the symbols will change. Minus x square minus y square minus 4 minus 4y. Okay. Now let's cancel out. X square plus x square minus x square plus y square minus y square plus 4 minus 4. Now here 4 2s are 8 minus 8y is the remaining. Now this is PA square minus PB square. If we expand, PA square minus PB square, we'll get PA plus PB of PA minus PB. Now here we have PA plus PB value. We will substitute this here, minus 8y. This is minus 8y, right? Now here we will substitute 6 of PA minus PB is equals to minus 8y. Now here PA minus PB is 2 4s are 8, 2 minus 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now here if it comes down, it will be minus 4 by 3 y. Alright. Now I think you might see. Yeah. Now you're gonna see everything. Now here we'll get PA minus PB is equals to minus 4 by 3 y. This is the second equation. Alright, now we'll add equation 1 and 2. Okay. Now we are going to add equation 1 and 2. That is PA plus PB is equals to 6. PA minus PB is equals to minus 4 by 3 y. Okay. Here PB gets cancelled. Now here we'll get 2 PA. Ink is almost done. Okay. 2 PA. Now here we will get nothing but 6 minus 4 by 3y. Okay. If we check it out, um, wait a second. We can take the LCM, right? Let me bring it up a little bit. Now I think you might see. Now let's solve. Here 2 PA is equals to 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 is 18. 18 minus 4 y by 3. Right. Now here this is, we'll get 6 here down. PA is equals to 18 minus 4y by 6 here and 6 here again. Okay. Now here it is 2 2 is a 4, 2 3 is a 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is a 12, 6 is a 18. Right. Here it is 3 again. No, 3 here. Okay. PA is equals to 3 minus 2y by 3. Now here this becomes, if we take LCM, 9. PA is equals to uh, 9 minus 2y by 3. Alright. Now here we'll transfer 3 that side. 3PA is equals to 9 minus 2y. Okay. This is the equation. Now we will do SOBS, which is squaring on both sides. Alright. Now we will do here squaring on both sides. SOBS. Okay. 3PA square is equals to 9 minus 2y whole square. Okay. We know 3 3 is a 9. 9 PA square value we know. Alright. Now we will solve this. 9 square plus 2y square, 2y square minus 2 of 9 1 9 9 is 18. 18y. Okay. Now here if we solve this we'll get, now here PA square value is 9 of x square plus y square, right, plus 4 minus 4y, which is equals to 9 square 9 is 81 plus 4y square minus 2 8 is 16, 1 6 2 1 is 2 3 36 y. Okay. Now we'll open the brackets. 9x square plus 9y square plus 9 3 is 27, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, right, minus 36y is equals to 81 plus 4y square minus 36y. Okay. If I take 36 this side, it will become plus. So this and this gets cancelled. Okay. Now here we have y square. Here y square. If we take this side, we will get 5 5y square. So it is 9x square plus 5y square plus 36 minus 81 is equals to 0. Alright. Now here minus 81 plus 36 is minus 45. 9x square plus 5y square plus 45 is equals to 0. Now here we can solve this. Uh, yeah, 9x square plus 5y square is equals to minus 45 here. Okay. Wait. Here this is minus, right? If we transfer here, we will get plus. Now we are going to divide, that is by 3. Divide equation 3. Equation 3 is going to be divided by 45. Okay, this is equation 3. Now here 9x square by 45 plus 5y square by 45, alright, is equals to 45 by 45. We are going to further simplify this. Okay, 9 ones are 9 fives are 5 ones are 5 nines are. This is as usual one. X square by 5 plus y square by 9, okay, is equals to 1. Alright, this is the now the required equation. Required equation of the locus is this. Now we will end this session, and in the next one we are going to do the other problems.